this relates to my work on determinism and on my apparent belief, or rather I should say I'm gotten to believe, that everything we do is determined, has been planned, scripted, whatever you like. So I can't say, for example, I aspire. I am forced to use this barbarous Americanism, I am gotten to aspire. So I've been thinking, is there any other word that we can use for this sense of what seems to be our own choice, our own initiated action, our self-powered action, but which really is other-powered. So I can't say I aspire, because that implies I do it. So I was thinking, and I was gotten to think, and as I was gotten to meditate, it was gotten to me that a better word might be given. I am given to aspire. I am given to do this. Now, let me just tell you some of the definitions of given. Bestowed as a gift, yes, that's certainly how I see it. That it's bestowed on me that this aspirational act should happen through me. Then also inclined, disposed towards. For example, there's a quote, I fear you are enthusiastically given. So it has this sense of somehow going this way. Somehow going this way. And then there is the sort of mathematical, if that's the sense of the word, where something is a given, which means it's fixed or specified. And that's said to be a basis for calculation. You know, x squared is a given, or whatever it may be. So all of these sort of hint at being able to use the word. It doesn't quite say it. But I like it because it has the idea of gift with it. It has the idea of it being disposed, I would say, irreversibly disposed to go this way, and that it is somehow specified, but not by me. Then, can I say it is given to me to aspire? I don't know. Now, the Rodale book, what's called the Synonym Finder, which I think is the best of all of the thesauri, says some of the things for given are arranged, bestowed, granted, and the word I love, preordained. So it doesn't mean that's the definition, it means it's a synonym of it. But yeah, so I don't want to say it's been preordained for me to meditate or preordained for me to give this talk. But it does seem reasonable in this context to say, I am given to aspire. That certainly sounds a lot, and it's a gift from the preordainer, from the specifier, who has disposed me in this direction. So I think that may be the best word that certainly I've come across. I've looked a lot of places for this. But it is interesting, of course, that there's no ready word for it. There may be, I can't think of it, I can't find it. It certainly doesn't come readily to me, nor for any of the books I've consulted. But so, for what it's worth, if it's given to me to remember, I will say given rather than gotten. So, I thought I'd pass that on to you, and you might like to use it.